Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Lego Titanic is probably one of the most ambitious and awe-inspiring Lego sets ever released, a monumental undertaking that recreates the legendary ship in stunning detail, offering an unparalleled building experience for adult fans and Lego enthusiasts alike who crave a truly epic project that will test their patience and reward them with a magnificent display piece. Number 5. Lego Classic Large Creative Brick Box 10698. Ignite your child's imagination with this versatile brick box. It's perfect for sparking pretend play and building anything they can dream up. With 33 vibrant colors and a variety of windows, doors, and wheels, the possibilities are truly limitless. Let their creativity run wild. Watch as they transform into creative builders, constructing figures, castles, and more. This set provides hours of engaging playtime. Expand their building adventures. This playset seamlessly integrates with all other Lego construction sets for never-ending fun. Featuring large base plates and 790 pieces, this set offers substantial building potential. It's ideal for creators of all ages. When playtime is over, the clever packaging doubles as a convenient toy storage solution. Keep their creations tidy at home or in the classroom. What we like. If you're looking for endless creative possibilities, this is the set for you. It comes with a huge variety of colors and includes base plates to get building right away. The included storage box makes it perfect for keeping things tidy. What people say. The Lego Titanic is an impressive model with incredible detail, capturing the grandeur of the original ship. The sheer scale of the Lego Titanic is breathtaking, making it a centerpiece display piece. Building the Lego Titanic is a rewarding experience, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces. Number 4. Lego Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe, recreated in stunning Lego brick detail. This set is designed to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a detailed buildable studio and a cast of iconic minifigures, including Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther. They come with accessories to recreate your favorite scenes. This 1,070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's the perfect gift for any fan of Friends memorabilia. This set is fully compatible with existing Lego construction toys and bricks. You can combine it with your collection to create unique mashup models and tell your own stories. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office. What we like. If you're a fan of a certain classic sitcom, this set is a must-have. It recreates a beloved cafe with all the main characters and their accessories. It's perfect for displaying your fandom. What people say. The Lego Titanic is an incredibly detailed and accurate replica of the famous ship, featuring over 9,000 pieces that allow for a truly immersive building experience. The set includes numerous authentic details, such as the grand staircase, dining saloon, and engine room, bringing the historical grandeur of the Titanic to life. The sheer scale of the finished model is impressive, measuring over 53 inches long, making it a stunning display piece for any Lego enthusiast or history buff. Number 3. Lego City Great Vehicles Holiday Camper Van 60283. Embark on exciting adventures with this holiday camper van toy. Its opening side and removable roof make vacation roleplay easy and fun. This set comes with mom, dad, and baby minifigures, along with a table, kitchenette, and sleeping area. It's perfect for little ones aged 5 and up. Unpack a variety of accessories like a camping stove, baby carrier, and picnic essentials. Everything you need for a memorable getaway is included. Drive to your perfect spot, set up camp, and enjoy a delightful family picnic. The possibilities for imaginative play are endless. With a printed building guide and access to the Lego Building Instructions app, building is straightforward. It's a great gift for birthdays or holidays. These great vehicles toys bring real-life scenarios to life. They make fantastic gifts for boys and girls who love imaginative play. What we like. If you enjoy imaginative play centered around family adventures, consider this set. It features a detailed camper van with a furnished interior, perfect for recreating vacation scenarios. It's ideal for kids who love role-playing real-life experiences. What people say. The Lego Titanic is an incredibly detailed and accurate replica of the famous ship, featuring over 9,000 pieces. This set offers a challenging yet rewarding building experience, with intricate details like the grand staircase, dining saloon, and engine room. The finished model is massive and impressive, measuring over 53 inches long, making it a stunning display piece. Number 2. Lego Creator Expert NASA Apollo 11 Lunar Lander 10266. Embark on an epic journey with this detailed replica of the Apollo 11 lunar lander. It's designed for an authentic space experience, complete with a lunar surface and iconic footprints. This modular model features a realistic descent stage with intricate details like gold-colored landing pads and opening camera hatches. The movable ladder adds to its authentic design. Step inside the ascent stage, which includes space for 2 astronaut minifigures. It's finished with a special nameplate commemorating the historic Apollo 11 mission. This collector's set comes with 2 astronaut minifigures, complete with NASA decorations and golden helmets. They're ready to recreate the historic moon landing. This building model offers a challenging and rewarding experience for adults. It makes a stunning centerpiece for your home or office, celebrating a monumental achievement. What we like. If you're fascinated by space exploration and historical achievements, this is the set for you. It offers a highly detailed replica of the lunar lander with realistic features and astronaut figures. It's a challenging and rewarding build for adult collectors. What people say. The Lego Titanic is an impressive display piece with incredible detail, capturing the grandeur of the original ship. The sheer scale of the Titanic set is breathtaking, making it a rewarding build for experienced Lego enthusiasts. The set includes numerous authentic details, such as the grand staircase, dining saloon, and engine room, bringing the historical vessel to life. Number 1. Lego Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing a unique building experience that lets you recreate one of the most recognizable sneakers in the world. This set is designed for adults who appreciate iconic design. Every detail has been faithfully recreated, from the classic shell toe to the signature 3 stripes and Adidas branding. It even includes real shoelaces for an extra touch of authenticity. Packaged in a style reminiscent of the original shoebox, this model is a fun and realistic tribute. It's the perfect gift for streetwear enthusiasts and Lego collectors alike. This isn't just a building project, it's a statement piece. Display it proudly as a testament to your love for iconic footwear and creative building. Standing over 4.5 inches high and 10.5 inches long, this detailed replica is a substantial and impressive build. It's a rewarding project for any adult builder. What we like. If you appreciate iconic streetwear and unique display pieces, this set is a fantastic choice. It meticulously recreates a legendary sneaker with all its signature details. It's perfect for sneakerheads and adult Lego enthusiasts looking for a creative project. What people say. The Lego Titanic is an impressive model with incredible detail, capturing the essence of the original ship. The sheer scale of the Lego Titanic is breathtaking, making it a centerpiece display piece. Building the Lego Titanic is a rewarding experience, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.